Oh man, I missed this. I'm about to have a Drew Barrymore moment out here. When you ever get the opportunity, get out into the rain. Especially when it's in Louisiana and it's like this. Oh, right before a nice storm. Whenever you get that opportunity. That was so funny when she did that. Hey guys, and welcome to another vlog. We are back at the country house, honey, okay? I love it here so much. I just had to come back for, you know, another little weekend. Mostly because it is my high school reunion. 20 years, you guys. 20 years ago, I lived here in Louisiana and went to high school in Eunice, Louisiana. Isn't that crazy? Like, when you think about it, 20 years ago. Like, damn, I'm old. Anyways, I wanted to make this video because this is a recipe that, like, my mom used to make for me every time I would come into town. She would either make me this dish or she would make me crawfish etouffee because she knew I loved it. So I thought, what better way to start homecoming celebrations or, you know, my homecoming week with making that dish. And that dish is Catfish Courtbouillon, I think is how you call it. But I just call it catfish. So it's like a catfish red sauce, and then you put it over rice, and it's so freaking good. And I'm gonna share you guys my recipe. So make sure you stay to the end of the video because then you'll know actually like what it looks like, how it's all made. You'll be able to make this at home. You can use any white fish. It doesn't have to be wow, okay, I'm back. You can use any whitefish. It doesn't have to be catfish. You can use trout. Is that a whitefish? I don't know. You know, dole, whatever it is. You can use tilapia. You can literally use any white fish for this dish. So let's get started and let's make it. Okay, the first thing you want to do is we're gonna put this butter in here. Literally everything you need already in it. Onion, bell pepper, celery, green onion, parsley, and garlic. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of that in here. Then I'm gonna just stir that up. Start to get all oily with that oil. And I have this little extra tomato here that I had in the fridge. I'm gonna chop that up. That is good enough. Put that into the pan. So then you have something like that. Okay, then I'm gonna come back with all of my cans that I'm gonna put in there and I'll check back in. I wish you guys could smell what this smells like. Like, it smells so good. Vegetables are starting to brown a bit, which is what we want. I just added a little touch of olive oil in there. And then I'm also going to add this in there as well for a little seasoning. You have to season every layer. Okay, we're back. As you can see, we have the tomato sauce in there, the rotel, and our nicely sauteed veggies. I'm just gonna let that simmer for a little bit. I've turned down my temperature and now I'm gonna cut up my catfish. Cut these into nice size pieces. Talk about good eating. Season these with some seasoning, these Cajun seasoning here, and kind of get every piece kind of soaking in it. Of course, I'm gonna wash my hands after that. Our seasoned catfish bite looking things that are gonna go into here eventually. Okay, it's been about maybe 15 minutes. Oh, that looks good. So it's like, you know, it's like a stewy kind of texture now. That looks great. Now we're gonna add in our catfish. So we've added in our catfish and we're just gonna stir it in just to get them covered a bit. Then I'm just gonna add a little bit of water to this and just sort of stir that in and let those sort of cook down. and cover it. And it's almost done. Almost done, guys. So yeah, my mom used to make me this dish all the time, and I just love, there's something about catfish that I love. Something I really love about fried catfish. I'm gonna have to try to find me some catfish nuggets while I'm here on this particular trip. So we're just gonna let that kind of stew and steam in there for maybe about 10 minutes or so, and then it will be pretty much done. So stay tuned. I will check back in with you guys when I open that pot.
Thank you.
Okay, I just want to show you guys what it looks like now. The nuggets are pretty much done. Look at that. That's how it looks. Yum. It looks so good. Okay. I'm so excited to experience a thunderstorm here. Anyway, I'm gonna plate this up and show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Doesn't that look incredible? Like, oh, it looks so good. Yummy. Y'all, I'm so hungry, but I wanna try it with you. I'm so excited. Look at that. There we go. Ooh. This looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna get everything in this bite. First bite. Wow, 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 wow. Let's get to this thunderstorm. That is so bomb. Ah. Yes. Holy shit. Oh, look at these birds. They're like, let me get the hell out of here. Y'all better haul ass.